Hello everyone, today's topic is exponentials law. So first law is what? X to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. It means when two numbers are given and they are in multiply, and if the base are same then their powers must be added. अगर दो numbers multiply में हो और base उनके same हो तो power क्या होती है? Add हो जाती है. Similarly the second, x to the power m divided by x to the power n, then it will give x to the power m minus n. अगर बेस सेम है, डिवीजन साइन है, तो पावर क्या होंगी? आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगी. द थर्ड वन इज x टू द पावर m होल पावर n. अगर पावर की पावर मिल जाए देन पावर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड. देन द फोर्थ वन, x to the power m into y to the power m can be written as x into y whole power m. यहाँ पे भी देखें पावर सेम है, बेस डिफरेंट है, बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है, तो दोनों बेस को हम मल्टीप्लाई करके बेस को पावर को कॉमन कर सकते हैं. फिफ्थ नंबर, एनी नंबर हैविंग पावर 0 इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 1. किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 होगी उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा क्या होगी? 1 होगी. सिक्स्थ, x टू द पावर m इज इक्वल टू x टू द पावर n. अगर दो बेस सेम है और दोनों इक्वल है देन पावर हैज टू बी इक्वल. देयरफॉर m हैज टू बी इक्वल टू n. m has to be equal to n. All this similarly for this we have written for multiplication, for division also it is true. So here I am taking some examples. Okay, suppose first example is solve or evaluate 64 power 1 by 6. Okay, so how we need to solve? First of all we need to take the factor of 64. 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2 1. So we can write 64 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 is what? 64. Therefore 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. Now 64 1 by 6 can be written as 2 to the power 6 whole power 1 by 6. 64 को हम लोग फैक्टराइज करके क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 की पावर 6 and this is what? Whole power 1 by 6. Now by using x to the power m whole power n. यहाँ भी देखें x की पावर m होल पावर क्या है? n. हमने देखा x की पावर m होल पावर n क्या होता है? x की पावर m इंटू n. x to the power m n. So this can be written as 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 6. 6 is you cancel out. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. This will be your answer. So by using exponent law you can solve these kind of questions. Now I am taking the other example. Evaluate 2 to the power 8 into 4 to the power 6. Suppose 2 to the power 8 into 4 to the power 6. So how we can solve this? Firstly you can see here the base is 2 and here the base is 4. So 2 to the power 8 can be written as 2 to the power 8 only, and this 4 we know that 2 to the power 4 is what? 4 and this power 6. 4 को हम लोग 2 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. Why we have applied this? To make the base equal, to make the base same. Firstly 2 to the power 8 into power to the power must be multiplied. We already know x to the power m होल पावर n, अगर x की पावर m और उसकी पावर n है तो पावर आपस में क्या होती है, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. सो दिस विल बी 2 to the power 8 इंटू 2 to the power 12. ओके, हमारा क्वेश्चन ये था. नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम 2 to the power 8 इंटू 2 to the power 12. Now you can see base are same, multiplication is there, then power must be added. If base are same, multiplication is there, then the power must be added. Therefore by using x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. So this can be 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 12 can be written as 2 to the power 8 plus 12. It means 2 to the power 20. This will be your answer. Okay. Here 6th formula, the 7th one more I missed, I think so. x की पावर माइनस m कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन x की पावर m. अगर पावर नेगेटिव है तो उसको रेसिप्रोकेट करेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स अगर इसका एग्जांपल लें, एग्जांपल 2 to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power plus 3, which will be equal to 1 upon 8. 2 to the power 3 is what, 8. Likewise, I hope you understood. Thank you.